First, slide in your rail clamp inside your track. Next, attach the TSO guide rail square. Make sure it's flush with the edge of your table. Your rail clamp will fit inside this groove. Then tighten your clamp. Your track is now at a perfect 90-degree angle. Now you can square off the end of your table by using your track saw. Take your time here and slowly move your saw along the track. You may need to use your other hand here to hold the piece of wood while it's being cut. Now, lift the latch to release the TSO rail guide square. And then release your rail clamp. It really is that simple. Now you have a perfect 90-degree cut. If you guys have any questions about the TSO guide rail square, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you guys out. Till next time, I'll see you later.